When was the last time you told your partner the 3 words, I love you? And how about, when was the last time you acted in a manner that conveys your love? We often forget that love is more than just words. Imagine you feel sad and tired after a tough day. You look to your partner for some care and concern, and they simply reply, I love you. Imagine you wanted to share your newfound aspirations that you are really excited about. You look to your partner for a listening ear, and your partner replies, I really love you. Imagine you are sick and having a terrible headache. You hope to get a head massage from your partner to relieve the pain. And your partner looks back to you and says, I love you, I really do. Love is not a noun. Love is not just words. Love is a verb. And love is an active behavior. Love is conveyed in how we respond to the needs of each other. Love is making an effort to better your relationship every day. Love is not giving up when the road gets tough. Love is keeping the romance and passion alive. And love is showing that you care and not just saying it. The actions of love is what builds a good relationship into a great and long-lasting one. Love takes dedication and effort for both parties to make the relationship work. Practice showing love to your partner through your behavior and actions. Be loyal and truthful, and openly communicate with each other. Practice active listening. Remember that a good conversation is always 2 ways, attending to the needs of both people. Be caring and show concern for the needs of your partner. It could come in the form of taking care of the health and mental health of each other. Step up and cover for your partner's responsibilities when either of you needs some time off to recover. Be loving through touch. Hold hands, hug each other often, and reignite the passionate love for each other in the bedroom. Connect to your partner in physical ways. Be generous with words of praise and admiration. Tell your partner how wonderful they are. Compliment on how beautiful they look. And be thankful of having the other person in your life. Be present for your partner, physically and mentally. Give your partner your time, your energy, and your undivided attention whenever you can. Especially when your other half needs you. Be spontaneous. Organize a trip out of town to reignite the fun in your relationship. You could prepare breakfast in bed. Or go for a romantic couples night. You could surprise your partner with a gift, regardless of occasion. At the end of the day, love is felt, rather than said. Love is displayed and acted out, rather than put into words. Without action, love is just another word. Don't just say that you love, but show that you do. Remember that in building the foundation of every loving relationship, love is more than just a noun to be defined, but love is a verb to be acted on. Thank you for your time with us. We hope you enjoyed this short audio guide. For more self-help audio guides, subscribe to this channel.